How to make chocolate Oreo mousse. First of all, you need 3 ingredients: a pack of Oreos, 70% dark chocolate, and whipping cream. First step is to grind the Oreos. You can use a food processor, but I just got a food plastic, and I tie the plastic really well and start bashing it with a cup. Grab your chocolate and start chopping to make it easier and quicker to melt. Get a heat-resistant bowl and put the chocolate in. Get a small saucepan and bring some water to a boil and place your bowl on top. Once your chocolate has melted, pour in 50 milliliters of whipping cream into the chocolate and start to mix it by whisking it together until you get a nice creamy texture. Pour in 250 milliliters of whipping cream into a bowl and start to whisk until you get a whipped texture. An electric whisker might be preferable here. Now, get 2 glasses or any cups you prefer to use and start to stack your trifle. First of all, start with the cookie crumb and then the whipped cream and lastly the chocolate mousse, and then carry on until the cup is full. Once your stack is complete, cover with a plastic wrap and refrigerate for an hour. After that, your chocolate Oreo mousse should be fine. Share this sweet delicate with your loved ones and don't forget to press the like and subscribe button for more cooking on a budget videos. The total budget for this video was $4.35. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.